to our first Do It From Home program video. I'm Krista, one of the librarians at PPLD, and today we're going to learn how to make greener cleaners out of materials you'll probably already have at home. Do you have vinegar, regular rubbing alcohol, and water? If so, you are all set. So the first we're going to make today is an all-purpose cleaner, which they all look the same, but it'll be an all-purpose cleaner. And so all you need for this is a half a cup of white vinegar. So let's pour that in there. So I'm just going to use this jar here to help mix. So a half a cup of white vinegar. And then 2 cups of water. Put that in there. And then you can also use some essential oils to kind of make it smell nice. It's not required, but you know, if you don't want a vinegar smelling cleaner, this would be great. So I'm going to use a little lavender essential oil. If you are using essential oils, you need about 20 drops or so, just so you can get a nice smell going here. Just add that. I think that's about 20 drops. And then you just kind of swirl it around a little bit in your container. And then for easy application, I have some of these little spray bottles and a funnel. And then we'll just fill that guy up. This makes enough for probably 2 little spray bottles here. And set that up. And then test it out, and we're all good. And then I would label it just all-purpose cleaner because the glass and this all-purpose cleaner look pretty much the same. So that's the all-purpose cleaner. Then next up, we're going to make the glass cleaner. So for this, you just need 1 cup of regular 70% rubbing alcohol. We'll pour that in there. And 1 cup of water. You can use distilled or regular tap water. All the sources I used for this recipe said either is fine. And then just 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Splash that in there. Mix it around a little bit. And then we'll do the same thing. So we'll just pour this into our little spray bottle here. Till it fills up, like so. Slap on the top. Sure works. Maybe. Well, it doesn't want to work, but that's okay. And that's pretty much it. Easy peasy, right? So there you have it. 2 easy to make cleaners using products you should have at home. So if you're having some trouble finding some basic cleaners at the store or buying them online, why not try these? So let us know how you made out. And as always, you can find lots of information and resources through our homepage at pouklib.org. So I hope everyone is well and is staying safe, and stay tuned for some more videos. Bye!